Hey YouTube, hey subscribers, hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Welcome to Trade Confident, where we live trade crypto on every single video. Guys, the long trade is looking pretty good. If you're following this channel, you guys are very close to getting into the profit here. I know I'm on the 1 day, there's a reason for me showing you this. We could be seeing a 21% drop in Dogecoin here, and I'm gonna prove that to you, not just throwing numbers out there. We also have some pretty bullish news. So let's start with the news here and just work our way through this video. So one of the top articles here, this is out by Crypto Slate, as well as Yahoo Finance is actually covering this pretty strongly too. Elon Musk reveals support for upgraded proposal to popular meme token Dogecoin. All right, I want to cover on this platform because it's a little bit better. Dogecoin developer proposes 50 times reduction in fees, wins Elon Musk's approval. Guys, it's been like crickets lately from Elon Musk for Dogecoin. Everyone's like, oh my gosh, Dogecoin's going down, what's going to happen here? And I really just feel like a lot of retail traders and whales are like, forget, Elon, we're just going to start buying this dip because it's at 15 cents. Like, it's ridiculous. And they started shooting the price back up. I do have some concerns in here that we could be seeing it move back down. I will be showing that to you guys, not biased or emotional. It's just strict money flow data in here. But take a look at, what they're talking about here. This is like, actually pretty interesting. In comparison to other tokens, average fees on Dogecoin network are relatively low. The current average fee comes in at about 49 cents, just under 50 cents, versus $7.12 for Bitcoin. That's ridiculous. And $4.17 for Ethereum. And then we see it down here. Nonetheless, devs want reduced fees to encourage more free-flowing transactions and the outflow of Doge from exchanges. Tesla CEO Elon Musk, the official Doge father, has signaled his approval by saying it's important to support these plans. Ross Nicole ended up posting this out on GitHub, and that's where you guys can find this here. Important to support. All right, so some positive supporting news from Elon Musk. Well, what's happening with the price here? Well, I have us on the daily chart here because I want us to look at something. I just did the Ethereum video and I visually was looking down here and I quoted the 21st, but I ended up correcting it in the comments. June 3rd to 4th is a very important date. And here's why. Let's go over to tradeconfident.io. You guys know I'm calling all the live trades out over here. And all of these starred little tabs up here, these are all incredible metrics you guys need to be watching. So I'm going to go over these real quick and we're going to end at the whale trades, which shows me the proof of why we could be dropping pretty fast here. Now the long versus short trades actually seem pretty bullish. Now, we are seeing that the short trades are dropping off massively. This was a 16% drop in Bitcoin over the weekend because short trades took over here, dropped it out. Maybe a little bit of manipulation. Watch the Ethereum video for that. But right now, we're actually still looking pretty bullish here. So not bad for a crypto market as a whole. What happens to Bitcoin happens to other altcoins. It's just obvious. Your account goes down when Bitcoin goes down. Everyone knows it. Okay, so emotional index right now, we're sitting very even. I'm not going to cover this too much. I get very in-depth in here, and I do a lot of warning videos on here when we start seeing a lot of the market get anxious and fearful, because that's when the whales are buying you guys up, and they are, oh my gosh, they're like, yes, the market is fearing, we're going to buy. And when you guys are greedy up here, I'm telling you, they're dropping out the price, dropping it out, they're dropping it out, and they're dropping out the price on you guys. So make sure you're watching what your fellow retail traders' emotional sentiment is, because you can trade against them just like the whales are and make a good amount of money. Not financial advice though. So Death Cross here is currently still active for Bitcoin. The long versus short trade risk today, guys, are you looking to take trades today? Right now, it's pretty neutral. I personally would not be looking to take any short trades or long trades. I would wait for us to push up into the great or good short trade zone or the great or good long trade zone, okay? That's my personal opinion on here. I've seen this happen many times when you're getting in here, you don't know if, like, sitting right around this area, we had a medium close here. It's like, okay, cool, we bought in and the price went up, and then you guys just like lost it all and you're having to hold. People are like, oh, it's middle ground, oh, I'm gonna sell. Nope, you just lost it all. Like, it's very difficult to get in here. If you want to reduce the risk of losing money on your long trades, just wait for us to give a signal down here of the good long trade or the great long trade, and your chances of your long trade reversing on you drastically drops, okay? And it helps you guys make more money faster, all right? According to this charts here. All right, the whale support and resistance here, I'm gonna fly through this. Basically, we see a strong structure at 37,000, and if we break through that, if we break through 40,000 to 50,000 is a very good level we need to be looking at. But again, strong resistance at 40,000. We have not hit that yet. So for Dogecoin, that puts us around and the metrics I'm doing here, it's around 40 cents for that move up to 40,000 for Bitcoin, as well as around this 37,000 mark. It's sitting right around, I would say, between 35 and 40 cents. So getting us definitely into the profit. All right, here's what we want to really look at here, and we're going to wrap this video up after this. The whale trades right now. Now, remember I told you guys to watch this date, and it was June 3rd to June 4th. And I'm going to go on the 4-hour chart, but let's start here on the daily. Right here around June 3rd and June 4th, let's take a look at this. Right on this candle here, June 3rd to the 4th, we saw a pretty big drop in the market. I'm going to take the candle close here to the structure low. I'm not going to pull all the way down here because a lot happened, but this structure low is what I want to be looking at right here before we bounce back up. This was a 21.58% drop in the market. Now, why? I think it had to do with the correlation of the amount of short trades and short pressure coming into the market right around the same time. Why does this matter at all? We are seeing the exact same amount of short trades and short pressure in the market right now as we did on the past June 3rd and 4th, okay? That's when we saw the great pressure enter into the market. And actually on Ethereum, we saw about a 25% drop, and Dogecoin is seeing and saw about a 21% drop. So if we actually take a look in here, and I know it correlates a little bit differently because price structures are a little bit different. You know, around here we're dropping from about 37 cents, where right now we could drop from about 27, so maybe 10 cents lower. But looking at around a 21% drop in here is not drastic in here, but it is something that needs to be evaluated, probably putting us back down to about 20 cents for Dogecoin. So Dogecoin could see a move back down to around 20 cents probably by the end of the week. That wouldn't be unrealistic in my personal opinion. Let's go to the 4-hour chart here and take a little bit closer in-depth look at that. It would put us basically into we might get lower highs and lower lows forming. I'll follow up with you guys on the chart, and we'll look for the lower highs and lower lows to possibly signal a downtrend in here. But the double top here, pushing us back down with that correlation of the short trades taking over. Yeah, I do think 20 cents is a very possible move down here in the next few days by Friday. And again, just to reiterate that, it's because we see this correlation of short trades pushing into the market, which last time this dropped it out quite a bit. Now, watch this every single morning, guys. Watch the whale trades. If the whale trades come out here and we start dipping down into these lower drastic shorting areas, like drastic shorting areas and drastic shorting areas, that is where I would personally be quite nervous to look for any long trades. I am hoping that all of our trades in here on tradeconfident.io that you guys are following on the homepage here, we are able to get out of this and take some profit in here before that happens. That's my personal goal for us on this channel, and I'll be managing that over at tradeconfident.io under the live trades. It's basically the homepage. So tradeconfident.io, the homepage here, follow all of the live trades for the top 15 currencies, and I will be posting profits here when we get some profit. So the last trade we ended up taking was a 15.14% profit on Bitcoin. I'll keep everything updated here as well as linked to you guys so you can see that. So bullish news, Elon Musk supporting, price moving up, but watch for the possible drop. This is not emotional, anything like that. We're using strict metrics in here. We could be seeing a 21% drop in Dogecoin, pushing us around 20 cents due to the same move over here on June 3rd to June 4th. I'll keep you guys updated. The trend exhaustion is sitting in the middle, could be heading up higher. So there's nothing telling me that we can't head up. We could head up more, we could head down more. I'm watching volume on this. The whale versus the price money flow, we're sitting pretty even right here. If we see any type of move up here, that is a higher indication we're going to keep dropping back down. The trend dashboard has all the retail traders going long right now because all of their great indicators they love using are telling them to go long, and that's not wrong. They're trading with momentum. Watch the drop up here. I do think we could possibly see a drop pretty fast here over the next few days. 20 cents, possibly 21% move down. I'll keep you guys updated. God bless you. Have an amazing, amazing day. And I'll keep the videos coming this week as we live trade crypto on every single video. Bye-bye, guys.